have all 600 of them. They make between 1/3 and 1/2 of all body weight. Ants along if connective tissue. They bind us together, hold us up, and help us move. And whether or not bodybuilding is your hobby, muscle need your constant attention because the way you treat them on a daily basis determines whether they will water or grow. Say, oh, you are standing in front of a door, ready to put it open. Your brain and muscle are perfectly poised to help you achieve this goal. First, your brain sends a signal to motor neurons inside your arm. When they receive this message, they fire crossing muscle to contact and relax, which put on the bone in your arm and generate the next movement. The bigger and challenge becomes, the bigger the brain signal grows and the more motor you need in rally to help you achieve your target. But what if the door is made of solid iron? At this point, your arm muscle alone want to be able to generate enough attention to put it open. So your brain appeals to other muscle for help. You plant your feet, tighten your belly, and tense your back. Generate enough force to yacht it open. Your nervous system has just released the resources. You already have other muscle to meet the demand. Well, all this is happening. Your muscle fiber undergo another kind of cellular change as you expose them to street. They experience microscopic damage, which in its context is a good thing. It responds the injured cell release inflammatory muscle called cytokine that activate the immune system to repair the injury. This is when the muscle building magic happens. The greater the damage to the muscle tissue, the more your body will need to repair itself. The resulting cycles of damage and repair eventually makes muscle bigger and stronger as they adapt to progressively greater demands. Since our body have already adapted to more everyday activity, though generally don't produce enough steam to stimulate new cellular growth. So, to build new muscle, a process called hypertrophy. All cells need to be exposed to higher workload than they are used to. In fact, if you don't continually expose your muscle to some resistance, they will shrink, a process known as muscle atrophy. In contrast, exposing to muscle to a high degree of tension, especially well in muscle is lengthening, also called an eccentric contraction, generate effective condition of a new growth. However, muscle really on more than just activity to grow. Without proper nutrition hormone and rest, your body would never be able to repair damaged muscle fibers. Protein in all diet preserve muscle mass by providing the building block for new tissue in the form of amino acid. Adequate protein intake, along with naturally occurring hormones like insulin, like growth factor and testosterone, help shift the body into a state they tissue the repair and growth. This vital repair process mainly occurs when we are resting, especially at night while sleeping. Gender and age affect its repair mechanism, which is why young men with more testosterone have a leg up in the muscle building game. Genetic factors also play a role in one's ability to grow muscle. Some people have more rapid immune reaction to muscle damage and are better able to repair and repeat damaged muscle fibers, increasing their muscle building potential to body respond to the demand you peak on it. If you toss all muscle up, eat right, read and respect, you will create the condition to make your muscle as big and strong as possible. It is with muscle as it is with life. Meaningful growth required challenge and